Tron could slide 1.2% by June 28, 30 rates shows. Let's take a second to assess the current momentum. As we speak, Tron has gone down 0.4% and is sitting around $0.3209. Let's dive into the analysts' expectations. 30 rates projects the price may weaken to $0.3169 by tomorrow. That's a decrease of 1.2%. Tron could edge lower to $0.3205, according to CoinLore, around 0.1% below now. According to crypto predictions, it might push towards $0.3215, a potential increase close to 0.2%. A different analysis from Traders Union projects, Tron could advance to $0.3231, a potential gain close to 0.7%. To conclude, coin price forecast puts the target at 33 cents by June 28, a gain of 2.8%. It's the most rewarding forecast in the list. 5 expert views are in. Let's head to the next part. We've gathered all the predictions. Here's the analytical view. Analysts' numbers point to a move between a decrease of 1.2% and an increase of 2.8%. After comparing all 5, coin price forecast leads with 2.8% upward change in value by June 28. From this, you could see returns of between $1 and $28 for every $1,000 you invest. Based on probability, CoinLore ranks highest with a 68.7% chance of success. Taking all the forecasts together, I've mapped out a consensus outlook. Based on consensus, Tron is likely to stand near $0.3224. Let's review the details step by step. The consensus view places the price 0.5% higher than current levels. In line with that same percentage, your capital could also register an increase. For 1,000 invested, this scenario might mean a gain close to $5. In addition, the probability tied to this consensus forecast is around 64.2%. At this point in the analysis, let's review the 3-day forecasts. 30 rates expects Tron to head lower. For the coming days, CoinLore sees the price holding steady without any strong trend developing. Crypto Predictions highlights that Tron is on an upward path. A bullish view also comes from Traders Union, who sees the price advancing. Additionally, coin price forecast sees the chart leaning upward. Looking across forecasts, the consensus leans toward Tron moving higher. Taken together, most analysts expect Tron to move higher. 2 days ago, 5 forecasts were published. Yesterday revealed how those forecasts matched up. As a result, the session closed at $0.3206. The majority of predictions turned out correct on the direction. If precision is what counts, 30 rates had the best result. Let's organize the outcomes for a clearer picture. Every forecast missed the daily limits completely. When it comes to ROI, a few positive results appeared. The best one came from 30 rates with 2.7%. This table shows the complete fact-check summary. Everything in one view. Looking at performance, the forecast probability for 30 rates was 54.9%, with 0.20's $45 accuracy and 2.7% ROI. Look closely. Who do you think gave the strongest forecast? Now let's see how the predicted profitability for tomorrow varies between Tron and other assets. At the top of the forecast ranking stands Filecoin with 1.7%, while Tron ranks lower. For now, this table shows 5 assets, and a fuller comparison across many cryptocurrencies is already on my website. If this quick summary saved you some effort, leave a like. It helps me keep going. See you in the next update.